Parehong binati ni Andy Eigenman at Jake Ejercito ang kanilang anak na si Ellie Eigenman ngayong November 23. 9 na taong gulang na ngayon ang kanilang anak. Today, we celebrate 9 years of life for my firstborn Ellie. 9 years of bringing so much life into mine as well. I wouldn't trade having you for anything in this world, my dearest Belle. I will forever be grateful that the universe gave me you. You only become more and more special to me as the years go by. And that's exactly what inspires me to do my best as your mom. Because that's what you deserve. Thank you so much for being you. Just watching you grow into such an admirable lady brings me so much joy and fills my heart with pride. I am in awe of the person you have become. An amazing, funny kid with a big heart. And it has been such a privilege to be your mom. Happy birthday, Ellie. You are so loved and cared for. Always. Always. Mensahe ng aktres sa kanyang anak sa post niya sa Instagram. Who you are and who you're becoming is truly amazing to witness. Happy birthday to the coolest and loveliest in my galaxy. Love you, my princess. Mensahe naman ni Jake sa kanyang post rin sa Instagram.
Share for